this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have a box of Amazon in front of me. So in this I have some toner, a laser printer toner for you guys, one of the brother printer. This is I think T2420 model number of this toner if I'm not wrong. So let's unpack the box. Cut the pack from here at the top. Lovely packaging, protection with some paper as always from Amazon. Nothing else in this box. Here is the box of toner. Let me show you the model number and other information in this case. Each toner can print 3000 pages that I've read. Here is the model number TN2420. Okay, let me unpack this one. Here we go. You see a lovely looking toner inside. I take this off from the metal. Here is the toner, but let's see what we have more inside the pack. Oh, this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. Nothing important, I put this back one side. And you see here TN24 toner cartridge. One cover lid we have here, some sticker. Chip maybe underneath this part. Here should be the chipset of this one. Very lovely pack indeed, and other things, very simple. And now I will go to my printer and I will show you how we can assemble this one. Let's go. I'm here guys. I peel the plastic apart. Now you have to take out this from here. Should come out as this. Is ready to inject. Let's see, here you have the chip. You have to be careful. And obviously I have toner inside, so I have to take out to show you how we can do that. This is MFC L2710DW printer of brother. I put up or pull up this part of the metal, lower to the scanner part and lower to the LCD. Here you have two sides to pull out as this, and you have the old toner here. Take this out as this. Is a big product you see here. Here you have one lock. You have to press this to release this toner from here. I take this out. Pressing this is something as a clip. Take this out. And here is the new toner. So you have to put the same way you take out. Let's go. And you see here, this should lock. I press inside, it will make a noise. Perfect. Now I'm gonna inject this one inside. Here we go. Perfect. I think it's fine. Then close this up. I close this one as well. And I'm hitting the power button of the printer. It's reading the toner and everything. I think should take properly this one. I'm gonna do some photocopy to show you is working or not. Put in the scanner, one paper here to do a photocopy. Here we go. Here, as you see, fax and copy button, copiar. In Spanish, I hit this one copy, I'm waiting. And I think I have to hit the button iniciar or start. Done. Is printed properly. You can see lovely, great, is working fine. Okay guys, so this is T2420 toner unboxing and review video, also how you can assemble and use this one. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.